Hello, good day. So ngayon, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng panibagong tutorial regarding with the completing of squares. So meron tayong formula to solve for the completing of the squares. So kailangan yung kanyang standard equation is at the ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So mula doon sa gantong equation, we will evaluate and then kukuhanin natin yung mga values for a certain given natin. So, let's start. So, yung pang-una natin, yan. So, we have x squared plus 10x plus 19 is equal to 0. So, all we have to do is to extract lahat yung ating numerical coefficient papunta sa right hand equation natin. So, we will have x squared plus 10x is equal to, since meron tayong positive 19, i-transpose natin sa kapila. So, we will have negative 19. And then, okay, gawin natin, kukuhanin natin yung ating second term or yung 10x natin. Yung numerical coefficient niya, same with the sign. So, mahalaga yung sign in this next procedure. So, we will have positive 10. And then, we will divide it by 2. So, 10, positive 10 divided by 2, we have negative, positive 5. And then, since meron tayong positive 5, gagawin natin ngayon dun sa positive 5 ay atin siyang i-squared or multiply natin siya sa kanyang sarili ng dalawa. So, positive 5 squared, we will have 25. Okay. Next thing to do is to insert yung nakuha nating squared doon sa ating existing equation. So, we will have x squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to negative 19 plus 25. Okay. Next thing to do is to simplify yung ating equation. So, medyo madaming nalilito dito sa ating equation na ito, but yung shortcut dito is very simple. So, ang gagawin nyo na is to write an open parenthesis and then copy nyo lang yung x. Write your x. And then, kung ano yung sign doon sa inyong i-divide dito. Focus on this. We have positive 5 squared. So, kukopyahin ko lang itong term na ito. And then, I will put that into our equation. So, you have pos plus 5 squared is equal to negative 9. Oh, no, wait lang. Let's focus this. Focus in here. So, we have positive 5. And then, yung close parenthesis and then yung squared. So, that is the squared equation. That is the shortcut. And mas madali yan. And then, we have to simplify. We have negative 19 plus 25. And that is equal to 6. And that is how you solve na ating completing up squared. Okay. Let's have example number 2. What if we have the given x squared minus 10x plus 19 is equal to 0. Kailangan underline ko lang to para medyo iyan. Paano naman to? Parang parehas lang naman. Pero you see, yung ating sign ng ating second term sa number 1 is positive 10x. On the other hand, on our second equation, we have negative 10x. But the same process will go on. So let's proceed. So we will have 10x minus 10, x squared minus 10x rather is equal to, since we have numerical coefficient, we will transpose that. So we will have negative 19. And then we will extract yung ating second term. Yung second term natin, kasama ulit yung sign, is negative 10. We will divide it by 2. So negative 10 divided 2, we have negative 5. Okay. And then we enclose it with the parenthesis, then squared it. So negative 5 squared, we will have positive 25. Okay. So let's rewrite yung ating equation. So we will have x squared plus, ito pala yun. Let me erase that. We have negative 10x. And then let's rewrite yung equation ito. We have positive 25 is equal to, so let's insert, we have negative 19 plus 25. Okay. So, let's have yung simplification nito. So, tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, just copy yung first term nito, x. And then, yung itong part na ito. Let's copy that. So, we will have negative 5 squared is equal to, negative 19 plus 25, we have 6. And that is our completed square. So again, dun madalas nalilito yung iba sa pagdating sa signs ng ating second term, kasi medyo nakakalimutan nila yung sign na tulad dito. We have negative 5 and then we have yung positive 5. So that is very important to notice yung signs na meron ang ating given. Let's have another example. Example number 3. What if we have the given x squared plus 2x plus 16 is equal to 0. Okay. So let's have the transposition ng ating constant. We will have x squared plus 2x is equal to 16. Let's transpose that. We have negative 16. And then let's take the root, the second term with its sign. We have positive 2. I-divide natin ng 2 and that is equal to positive 1. And positive 1, ating siyang i-squared, we have positive 1 also. Okay. So unlike dito sa ating unang ginawang equation, wherein sinulat natin yung mahaba, yung trinomial natin. Sa ating next na gagawin is to have the shortcut ng equation. So, para nga ba yun? So, ang gagawin lang natin is to copy and let's have open parenthesis. Let's copy yung x. And then, let's just take note yung ating in-squared na number. Kasama yung sign, we will have positive 1 squared is equal to, dito tayo, we have negative 16 plus 1. And simplifying this our right hand equation, we will have x plus 1 squared is equal to negative 15. And that is our completed squared. Okay. Let's have number 4. Sa ating number 4, we have x squared minus 12x is equal to negative 27. So again, atin lang kokopyahin yung ating second term with its sign. So we have negative 12 divided by 2 and that is equal to negative 6. And negative 6, ating siyang i-squared, we have positive 36. Okay. So, since alam na natin yung kanya na squared na value, we will have copy mo yung, sulat ko yung open parentheses, copy ko yung x, and then copy mo to yung middle term na ating equation. So, we will have negative 6 squared. So, ganun lang kadali. Take note of that. That is the shortcut. And then we will have negative 27 plus 36. Okay. Simplifying that, we have x minus 6 squared is equal to negative 27 plus 36. That is equal to 9. And that is our completed square. So, ito yung ating completed square for 1 to 4. And please stay tuned for my next video.